Now dear students, earlier I have told you about the properties of addition and subtraction of rational number. Now I am going to tell you about multiplication and division properties. So first one is closure property. So what is closure property says that if we have two rational numbers, then their multiplication is also a rational number. Suppose we have 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. Let's take any two irrational numbers. So their multiplication, if anything is cancelled, you can cancel, otherwise as it is. So it is 8 by 21. आप न्यूमरेटर के साथ मल्टीप्लाई करोगे. So if we multiply two rational number, then the result is again a rational number. So closure property hold in case of multiplication. Now in case of division, if we have a and b are two rational numbers, then their division is also a rational number. But here is one condition, that b should not be equal to 0. If b is equal to 0, suppose 2 by 3 divided by 0. Can we divide this by any number by 0? No. That's why here is the condition. Next one is commutative property. So what commutative property says? Commutative property. So this property says that if we have two rational number, then their multiplication is same in any order. Suppose 2 by 3 and 4 by 7. So it is 8 by 21. Now this side b multiply a, 4 by 7 multiply 2 by 3. It is also 8 by 21. Does it hold in case of division? Let's check. It is a divided by b and b divided by a. So let's solve this one. 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 7. So it is 2 by 3. Division करेंगे तो ये change हो जाएगा. So it is 7 by 4. 2, it is 7 by 6. Now let's solve right hand side. It is 4 by 7 divided by 2 by 3. 4 by 7 multiply 3 by 2. It is 6 by 7. Are these two values equal? No. These two values are not equal, so it does not hold in case of division. Next one is associative property. It is also same like as this one. Earlier also we have solved. In what it says in associative property, we have three numbers, a multiply b multiply c is equal to a multiply b multiply c. Firstly you have to multiply these two. After that जो रिजल्ट आएगा उसके साथ आप a के साथ करोगे. यहाँ पर a और b की मल्टीप्लाई, देन c. It is also not hold in case of division, that you can check by any numbers. You can take any numbers and you can verify these two values are not equal. So next one is fourth one, multiplicative identity. What is the multiplicative identity in case of rational number? Multiplicative identity. So multiplicative identity is, suppose we have a rational number 3 by 7. तो हम इसको किसके साथ मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारे पास यही नंबर सेम आ जाए. So that number is 1. 3 by 7. 1 multiply 3 by 7 is 3 by 7. So multiplicative identity is 1, and I have told you additive identity is 0. Identity does not hold case in case of division. Why? 3 by 7 divided by 1. Answer is 3 by 7. But is this possible? ये क्या आएगा आपके पास? 7 by 3. These two values are not equal. So identity does not hold in case of division. Next one is multiplicative inverse. Inverse. So सपोज वी हैव 4/11, तो इसका मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा कि हम इसको किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारे पास आंसर 1 आ जाए। तो हम किससे करेंगे, इसका क्या कर दे हम, इसका रेसिप्रोकल। 4/11 को आप किससे कर दोगे, व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ 4/11, इट इज 11/4। नेगेटिव टर्म्स है, सपोज -4/7 है, तो इसका क्या आ जाएगा आपके पास 7/-4। चॉइस इज योर्स, आप इसको नेगेटिव को आप नीचे लिख रहे हो या फिर ऑप्शन या फिर ऊपर। इफ ऑप्शंस आर गिवन तो वहां आपको देखना पड़ेगा कि क्या दिया हुआ। सपोज आपके पास ऑप्शन में ऐसे दे दें तो दिस इज ऑल्सो राइट, या फिर ऐसे भी दे सकते हैं। सपोज वन मोर टर्म 3/-10 like this. What is its multiplicative inverse? It is -10/-3. But it in answers, in options, this may be there. So you have to check that what is given there. I hope these properties are clear to all. Next one, which is distributive property. Distributive property. In this also we have three terms, three numbers. It is distributive property of multiplication over addition or subtraction. A multiply B plus C, यहाँ पर मल्टीप्लीकेशन है और साइन एक क्या है, टू साइंस है यहाँ पर, एक मल्टीप्लीकेशन और एक एडिशन। तो व्हाट इट सेज, A multiply B प्लस A multiply C। एक बार A की आप B के साथ करोगे, एक बार A की C के साथ करोगे आप। इन केस ऑफ सब्ट्रैक्शन A multiply B माइनस A multiply C। एक बार A की आपने B के साथ की, एक बार A की C के साथ। क्वेश्चन कैसे आ सकते हैं, जैसे आपकी बुक में भी दिए हुए हैं क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं आपके पास कि आप इसको वेरीफाई करो। और ध्यान रखना जब भी वेरिफिकेशन, इट मीन्स लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड बोथ यू हैव टू सोल्व आउट। सो A multiply B, A multiply C। अगर आपके पास आ जाता है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी को आप वेरीफाई करो तो आपको ये साइड भी सोल्व आउट करनी है और ये साइड भी। दैट्स ऑल फ्रॉम माय साइड।